Hello, my name is Emre Mısırlıoğlu. As a demonstration of the new partnership that has newly started between Marmara CNC and Glorymaq, I will make a short demonstration of a CAM application. What we will do is, in EasyCam, our software, we will machine Glorymaq logo by using our Glorymaq machine tools. The vertical machining center we will use. I already imported a drawing that's the logo of Glorymaq into EasyCam. After importing, we define the machining parameters like tool diameter, feed rate, and spindle speed, and so on. And then we calculate the tool path. After calculation, program gives us an estimation of the total machining time, and the part will be machined on an ellipsoid stock. Also, we can see 3D simulation like this. While the tool moves, you can see all the tool paths on the screen, as well as you can use 3D simulation. You can see all the details that will be machined on the vertical machining center of Glorymaq. Also, you can zoom in, zoom out, and pan while watching the simulation. And after finishing, we get the G-codes. We get the G-codes of the tool path, our part. G-code file is like this. We save it on the USB flash drive and take it to our machine. This time we used USB flash, but also we can use a network cable and send it to the control system. And Glorymaq logo appears on the screen on graphic simulation. And we just started machining the part on the machine, vertical machining center of Glorymaq. And while checking from the screen the result of the graphic simulation, we can also see the movement, the same movement of the graphic simulation that we have just seen on EasyCam and on the graphic screen of Mitsubishi. Machine makes the same movements. The tool path is generated. Tool path is applied on the machine now.